Dana, when I was doing the show last night with Christian Bridges, we were talking about how excited we are that the sunsets are not getting any earlier. The sunsets will start getting later. Fantastic.
It really is shocking to me. And I mean, I grew up a little bit west of here. I'm from New York originally, but I feel like it makes such a huge difference, even just from New York to here, being a little farther north, a little farther east. I go, man, the sunset's really early this time of year.
It's brutal.
Well, we're going the opposite direction now. So we still have a little bit of time before the day with the fewest daylight hours, which is the winter solstice. But yes, our sunsets are not going to get any earlier than this. So there's always something to look forward to.
Yes. What I'm not looking forward to is waking up to potentially some black ice tomorrow.
Yes, we've had a lot going on the radar today. So we've had rain, we've had freezing rain, we've had snow, and there is that potential for some ice formation that we've already seen in some spots, and that may linger into the day tomorrow, So the rain-snow line has pushed farther north in areas of down East Maine over the past few hours, so more areas have been switching over from snow to rain, but there is still some of that ice formation around. Areas of far northern Maine will be remaining snow for the duration of this system. And the rain-snow line is a lot closer to the coast. In areas of southern Maine, we are even seeing some freezing rain here in Portland. I was out just before the show started, and some of the sidewalks were pretty icy. I actually noticed that a lot of pedestrians in Portland were walking on the road instead of the sidewalk, which is definitely not safe. And then this system will be moving through fairly quickly, so by tomorrow morning it will be done, but we still have a few more hours of precip to go. You can see that here on the radar. So over the next few hours, precip will continue to be fairly heavy in down East Maine, but by about midnight, western Maine for the most part will start clearing out, and by about 2 to 3 in the morning, the large majority of this system will be over with. And then as we get into the day tomorrow, again, morning commute time may have some black ice around because our temperatures will be below freezing, so keep in mind it might be a little bit slippery there, even though the precipitation itself will be over. And actually, our highest temperature of the day for tomorrow will be in the morning. Temperatures will decrease steadily throughout the afternoon, even into the times where we would see the most sunshine. It's still going to get progressively colder during the day. We'll have a mixture of sun and clouds, maybe a stray snow shower or snow flurry in the mountains, and it's going to be fairly windy, so it's going to have those wind chill temperatures too. And then as we get into the day on Friday, a good bit of sunshine, but very cold and very windy. So those wind chills become a factor again. So here's a look at our snowfall forecast. This would be in total, not additional snowfall. A widespread 1 to 3 in areas north of that rain-snow line, and so could see some higher amounts in areas of the mountains or far northern Maine. And then we do have a little bit of that freezing rain and some of that ice around, so the best chance of that is going to be in the blue color that you see on your screen, but keep in mind that there could be some black ice formation even outside of where that freezing rain falls. So during the day tomorrow, we're going to see wind gusts upwards of 35, even 40 miles an hour in some spots. So that wind chill is going to get fairly chilly, especially in the second half of the day. And if you've been saying to yourself, wow, this December seems really cold, you would be correct. We have not had a single day in Portland or Bangor with temperatures at or above average. Portland right now averaging 12 degrees below normal, and Bangor averaging about 15 degrees below normal. By the time we get to the end of the month, those averages of below or above normal will start to even out a little bit. Usually you don't see that extreme when given 31 days of data, but right now it is certainly showing a very cold trend. Marine forecast sees 6 to 9 feet. Water temperature is 46, gale watch for tomorrow. So the next 2 days are going to be blustery and cold, but a decent bit of sunshine around, especially on Friday. We do have the chance for some light snow, especially in southern Maine, possible on Sunday, but no big storms coming up. And then another Arctic blast. Chris, as we get into the beginning of next week, our temperatures are on the 7-day forecast are certainly not overall trending in a warmer direction.
No, I think that's been the tricky thing with sort of, I wouldn't call it riding a roller coaster because it's not like we have these huge peaks and valleys, but trying to plan each day, and I'm like, okay, how many layers or how much equipment do I really need to stay
It's a roller coaster, but all the hills are really low to the ground.
Perfect. Thanks, Dana.